If you need to recover your Getflix account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Getflix login page. Go to the official Getflix website and locate the login section. Click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Getflix account. Make sure it is the correct email to ensure you receive the recovery instructions. Step 3. Check your email. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow the reset instructions. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. You will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it. Step 5. Log in with new password. Return to the Getflix login page and enter your email and the new password you just created. You should now have access to your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Getflix customer support for further assistance.